Welcome to Let's Get Cooking. I'm your host, Private Chef Timothy Weinhold, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a pumpkin pie. To start, I have a 30-ounce can of pumpkin pie mix, 1 cup of marshmallow fluff, 1 cup of evaporated milk, a tablespoon of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of nutmeg. I also have with me a pre-made graham cracker crust, which adds a great taste to a pumpkin pie. To start, we're going to mix all of our ingredients except for the marshmallow fluff in a mixing bowl. We want to incorporate these ingredients very well, but not overmix them as you don't want air pockets to develop. The next step is to take your marshmallow fluff and spread it evenly throughout the bottom of the graham cracker crust. At this point, you will take your mixture out of the mixing bowl and spread it over the marshmallow fluff. Evenly, of course, and make sure it does not overflow over the graham cracker crust. Once you have done this, you are ready to get your pie in the oven at 425 degrees and bake for about 1 hour. Once your pie is finished baking, remove from the oven and let set and cool at room temperature for about 1 hour. At this point, you're ready to serve to your guests with your favorite scoop of ice cream or whipped cream. This is a perfect pie for the holiday season. Thank you for tuning in. I'm your host, Private Chef Timothy Weinhold. Join us next time and let's get cooking.